Hello, welcome to PowerPoint Academy. Today I will show you how to make presentation like this using this 3D cube that consists of 4 parts. But before we start, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our channel to be able to see our upcoming videos. Okay, first of all, I have downloaded a picture of 3D cube to draw a picture like it. So Control plus C to copy, Control plus V to paste it. But for I will change the layout of the slide to blank by right click layout and choose blank. Now I will draw a picture to mimic this one like this. Right click and format shape and increase the transparency to be able to see the outline of the original one. Then I will make 2 copies of it by clicking Ctrl plus D. And now I will try to adjust the outlines of 2 shapes to fit each other like this. This interface is very easy, but those ones need more work, as we will see now. To adjust this shape with this interface, you have to edit the points of this shape by right click and click on edit points. Then try to make the points more near to each other to adjust them correctly, like this. Then zoom in and be careful that you should make the outline of this picture or interface on this one, because if you load them in this state, you will have a cube of separated interface, but we need no separations between these interfaces. So I will try to move these points like this. The square by zoom out. By the way, I zoom in and out by pressing Ctrl and the scroller of the mouse. The last interface, or the upper one. Okay. And now I will select all these interfaces and click Ctrl G to group them. Then I will remove this cube, we don't need it now. And we have a 3D cube with 3 interfaces. So what will I do now is that I will draw guidelines or guide squares in each line of each interface. So each interface has 4 lines, 1, 2, 3, 4. I will draw squares in each interface, in each line of each interface, to help us to draw the 3D borders of the cube. And as you will see, I need the guide rules in PowerPoint by clicking this and this. Okay. Now I will choose this interface to start with it and choose this outline. I try to make it parallel to the PowerPoint guidelines, and I will draw squares as guide squares, as you will see. 1, Control D, 2 and 3. Okay, these ones I will give them a unique color. Let it this one, and green for this one. Okay, I will make the same thing for these lines, 3 lines, but before I will group them together No, firstly I will copy them, use them again, and I will group all of this together to be able to rotate them. Okay, I will move to the second line, try to be parallel to these PowerPoint guidelines, and then Control V. Control A and Control G. Okay, rotate it to the default. This is the default of this cube. Okay, I will make another two rectangular guides here. The first one from this point, second point, third point, and fourth point, and second will be here. To draw this line, we choose this object, which is free-form shape, and you click on the first point, and then remove to the second point, and try to be exactly on the outlines or the guidelines. Okay. Okay, try to adjust them correctly, but this one doesn't admire me, so I will draw another one. Okay, zoom in to this corner, to this corner, to this corner, and this corner. Okay, this is the first one. I will give it the same color. Okay, the second one in the same way. Okay, and okay, give it the same color. Okay, all I have drawn in these pictures is guidelines to draw our shapes. Till now, I don't draw the shapes that will appear in the end of this project. So, in this interface, I will draw a rectangular here and a shape here and another one at this point, as you will see now, using the freeform. Okay, let's start with a rectangle starting from this point and press shift to be in a straight line, then to this point. Okay, let's zoom in to be more accurate. Press shift, put the plus shape on exactly on the line. Okay, okay, and it's good. Okay, second shape will be in this space, so let's start from here, going to here. Okay, please be accurate as you can. Okay, and it's done. Third one will fill this space. Let's start from here to this point, to this point. Please try to be more accurate as you can, because this is the final shape that will appear to the users. Okay. Okay. Okay, we have drawn all pictures in this interface. So I will do the same guide squares for this interface and this interface. But firstly I will remove these pictures. I don't need it now, but I need these ones. Okay, Control A and Control T. Then let's move to the second interface, and it will be more difficult than the first one, but let's try to draw the guidelines. Okay, Now we will draw another two rectangles in this shape like the first interface, but it's more difficult because there are no straight lines. To this point, then to this point, to this point. Okay, give it the same color, don't forget to do that. The second one, where is it? Here it is. Okay, delete. Be sure that any faults will be fixed at the end. Okay, give it the same color, and now let's draw some objects or shapes. I will draw a square here and another one here and fill the space with another shape like this. Okay, this is the first one. Second one will be here. Start with this point. Shift to make it one straight line. As you see, it's normal to see some faults, but I will fix it at the end. Okay, but I think this one. Okay, I think this one is more large than this one, so I will draw this one again, but from this point. Shift. Okay, let's fill this space with another shape by moving to each point here like this. Okay, it's nice. As you see, there are some faults here, and I will fix it at the end as I told you. And now let's do the same thing again to draw the squares in the last interface, but firstly let's remove these points, but I need to fix it now to make it easy at the end. So let's move this one and draw it for the last time. Okay. Okay, and now I draw the guide squares for the last interface. Move it to the rotate it to the default position like this, and as usual I will do two guide triangles. Change these points like this. Okay, and give it the same color. Another one. And give it the same color. Okay, Now I will make a rectangle or square here, starting from this point, this point, then press shift to be in a straight line, this point, and to this point. Then I will make a U shape here. Try to be accurate as you can, please. Okay, then I fill the space by the last shape in our project. I'll move it to these points. I made a mistake, so I will draw it again. I forget what's my starting point, so I will start from this point, moving to this point, like this. Okay, then I will remove all of these guide squares. I don't need it now. Delete. And this is the end shape. Firstly, I will remove all these lines and guides. Then I will choose three interfaces in each, three shapes in each interface. I will firstly ungroup all of them to remove the unused ones. Okay, in each interface you have three shapes, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, and 3. Then move them, and you will delete these guides, then Ctrl A and move it to the center. And the trick here is to remove the outline to see all the faults in your shape and try to fix it. No outlines, and as you see there are many faults. You will try to fix them. Okay, and now I tried to fix all those faults as I could, and as you will zoom, these faults will be hidden. Okay. Now I will give all of these shapes colors, and the coloring here is very important. So I will open my color file. Okay, we can use this one, Ctrl C. We'll use another one. Let's use this one or this one. Okay, let's use this one. Ctrl V. Okay, let's start with shape. Right click, format shape, and gradient. Remove this one, move this to 50%. start with this color. Okay, and I will give this one the same. Okay, this one gradient, choosing this one, and I will give this one the same color, and this one will be solid with the same color. Okay, this one, and I will give this one the same color. Okay, gradient, no, we already used this one, we need this color. Gradient. Okay, and now I will do some changes in the degree of each color to give them the 3D shape, like this. Okay, and now after changing the degree of each color, we reach to this point. I will add the numbers 0, 1, Control A, let's make it more large, give it this, give it this font, and move it here. I think it needs to be more smaller. Okay, Control D to add another one, Control D. Okay, I forget to give them the white color, but no problem. Format, text fill and white, needs no changes. This also 02, white color, Control A, then white color. This one needs some changes, 03, and I will change the 3D rotation of it to be like this shape. Okay, 04, Control A, white color, and also change the 3D rotation of it. Needs more rotation, I think. Okay, and this is 04. Okay, now I will make a shadow by drawing a triangle, then format, rotate and flip it vertically. Okay, move it like this, then edit point and move this point here. Okay, give it the black color, remove the outline and then shape effect, soft edges and make it the shape. Okay, okay, then move it to the back like this and increase the transparency of it to be appear as a real shadow like this. And here we have a shape of 3D cube consisting of 4 parts. Control G, change the background color to this and you will have this shape. Okay, to make our project I will make another copy of this slide by pressing Ctrl D, then I will ungroup all of them. Okay, I will choose all these parts or shapes to give them a dull color to be appear as off shapes. I'll give them this color, this one, then shape fill, gradient, and then this color, And let's change some things in from the shape in the gradient. Okay, change the direction only. Change the direction. Okay, let's move them. Okay, to be sure that you select all shape and Ctrl G to group them. Then group the numbers, and this is useful in animation, as you will see. Ctrl G to group them. Then go to animation, add animation by choosing basic zoom, and for choose an animation like split. Okay, animation pane after previous, and move it after previous and move it. Okay, preview. Okay, I forget to group this shadow with the picture, so Ctrl G and this animation will be deleted. So add animation again, more entrance, basic zoom after previous, and make it to 150. Okay, let's review it, and the numbers will appear like this. Okay, then I will make another copy of it and ungroup all of them. Ungroup all of them. Okay, then I will remove, ungroup the numbers. Okay, I will remove the first one, delete, and I will copy this one, ungroup them. Ungrouping is very helpful in copy and paste. Okay, Ctrl C, then Ctrl V, and then I will insert a shape like this, and I need these lines to be in this direction, so rotate and flip horizontally. Make it more small. Remove all of them slightly to the right and give it the same color. Okay, make shape, gradient, and give it this color. Remove the outlines, give it a shadow in the center, then add this shape, give it a color in the same degree, and give it a shadow in the lower layer like this. Then it is time to add the text. I will add title 1, make it more large, choose the font and the color white, then move it here, and then Ctrl G to group them. Another text here to write your details, make it more large, give it this font, and okay, we can make it more large like this. Okay, Ctrl A, Ctrl C, then let's make more copies of it, and I will give it a green color. Okay, this is about the first one. According to the animation, we will make this one to be fade and with previous. Then the shape will be wipe and move it to 1.5 after previous. Wipe again, but from the top to appear in this manner after previous, and increase it to 125, and this split and after previous. And let's review it. Okay, it's very nice. Okay, and now I have finished the other slides, and we will preview the end of the project. This is the first one. This is the off colors. First part of the 3D cube. Second part, title 3. And title 4. And now we reach the end of the video. Please like, comment and subscribe to be able to see our upcoming videos. Thank you.